always had migraines. I would normally have about 1 to 2 per month, and since I got my glasses in April, I have only had 2, so it's been incredibly reduced. I always had like a lot of facial pain and headaches over my right eye significantly almost all the time, and as soon as I started wearing my prism glasses, it's just immediately lessened and went away completely within just a couple of weeks. I work on the computer a lot. I am working on spreadsheets often, and so I was definitely doing the things to kind of highlight and find my place and track like with my finger as I'm trying to read, spending so much time trying to make sure I'm looking at the right columns and aligned. And it never really even occurred to me before that it could be related. And now I don't even think about it, and I never have to do that. So that's also been a really, really significant part. I also have a lot of eye irritation previously. It's just almost completely gone away. I can't believe all of the small things that I was dealing with just without really even thinking about it, to how it is now that I have glasses, prism glasses, and how much I don't have to think about it now because it just changed so drastically.